For smooth, correct sawing, the chain must be really sharp. The filing angle on splitting chains is only 10 degrees. For the best results, Logosol recommends a filing gauge with 2 files, usually called a double file. When you use a double file, you adjust the height of the depth gauge at the same time as you sharpen the cutter. Sinking a simple saw vise into a log or stump simplifies the filing. When you use a chainsaw, the chain stays on the guide bar. However, try to change chain periodically. Between 4 and 6 chains can be rotated on the same sprocket. If you don't rotate, one sprocket will only last for 2 chains. When you use an electric saw, it's easier to change chain than it is to file it on the saw. 4 to 5 freshly filed chains are normally enough for one day's work. A filing block is more or less essential when filing saws not fitted on a guide bar. Many of Logosol's customers prefer an electric filing machine for rapid and sure filing. The filing machine is especially effective when filing damaged chains, and they can be used for all types of chains. Never saw with a dull chain. The chain wear is much greater, and it's tough to sharpen the chain again. Logosol has prepared instructions with valuable filing tips. Some training is needed to build up filing speed and to make sure the result is right. However, anyone can learn rather quickly. It's like riding a bike. At first it seems hard, but suddenly it goes like a song. Move the file in straight lines. A few light pulls will be enough to give the cutter maximal sharpness. It's not all that important that all the cutters are exactly alike. Some small variations in the filing angle make little difference, but it's essential that the leading cutter edge is really sharp. The guide bar must also be maintained, mainly by filing it with a flat file or a special edge file. A worn chain wears the guide bar most. The feed pressure increases, the chain oil film that protects the guide bar and chain is worn off, leading to very rapid wear of the guide bar and the underside of the chain.